Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So installing the Kali Linux on VirtualBox makes your virtualization is enabled in your computer. So for checking it, we need to right click on this, and here we open the task manager and we go to performance tab, and in the CPU section we see virtualization. In my case it is enabled. If in your case it is not enabled, you need to manually enable it from BIOS setting. So let's move on to the next step. We now going to download and install the VirtualBox. Here click on the first result, and in my case my machine has Windows, so we download it for Windows host. And we also need to download VirtualBox extension pack. It provides us extra functionalities like USB 3.0, webcam support, and improves the performance of our machine. So let's download it. Now we wait for downloading. Now both files are downloaded. Now we're going to install the VirtualBox. Click next, accept, next, click next, yes, next, install. Now our VirtualBox is installed. Here we check this option and click on finish. Now first we need to install the extension pack which we downloaded. Here we need to click on tools, and from here we select extension pack manager and click on install and select that file and open it. And because I already installed it, now it's saying me to reinstall it. In your case it's saying install. Now virtual extension pack is installed. Now let's move to the next step. Now we're going to download the Kali Linux. Click on first result and click on download, and here it shows two options. One is installed in this, one is virtual machine. But in for this video we're going for this option. You also go for virtual machine option. It is pre-configured for virtual machine, but it doesn't provide you so much customization option. In installer images option, you can customize your Kali Linux more. So we click on this option, and here you download this installer by clicking on that button. I already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. So we complete our bath steps. Now we're going to create the virtual machine for our Kali Linux. So first we need to the welcome screen, and here we select the new option and give our machine a name. I give it a name Kali, and here it's saying select the folder. By default, it's selected to the your main drive, but you can change it, and here it's showing the option of ISO image. Here you select the Kali Linux ISO which you downloaded earlier, and it now here you asking to select the type. It's Linux, and we need to select subtype as Debian, and here Debian in version we need to select Debian Joseph bit. Now we select the hardware section, and here we need to select at least 8 gigabytes of memory, and for processor allow it maximum which your VirtualBox allowed. And now we move to the hard disk section, and here at least provided 20 gigabytes of storage. We're going to give it 30 GB, and here make sure you selected the VirtualBox disk image. Enable it if you want your hard disk pre-allocate full size. If you not check it, it will dynamically increase over time. Now let's finish it, and let's select the machine and click on setting option, and here we go to advanced option and enable the shared clipboard to bidirectional, and same for drag and drop. And now we go to display, and here enable the 3D acceleration if your machine allowed, and increase the video memory to 256 megabits. Now we're going to network section, and here select bridge adapter if you want your Kali Linux directly connected to your router. But if you don't want and only want to access the internet, just select the NAT. Now we're going to the USB section, and here select the USB 3.0, and now our machine setup is completed. Now click on OK and start our virtual machine. Now we select the graphic install, press enter. Here is asking to select a language. I select English. In country, select your country. Now give the host name to your computer. I give it Kali and click on continue. And for domain name, you should skip it and click on continue. Now provide your full name and click on continue. Continue, and here you set your password, verify your password, and click on continue. Select the guided use entire disk option and click on continue. Here you have just one option, select it and click on continue. Here you select all files in one partition and click on continue. Here you click on finish partitioning and write changes to book and click on continue. Here select the yes and click continue. Now select the default option and click on continue. Now Kali Linux is installed in our virtual machine. Here it asking to install the grub bootloader to your primary drivers. Uh, Selected it yes and click on continue. Here you select the device DA and click on continue.
Now the installation is complete. Click on continue. Now our computer rebooting itself. Here we select capture option. Now here we, we entered our password, our username and password. So we enter first. Now we switch to the full screen. So first we going to update our Kali Linux. So for this first we need to open the terminal and here you enter the following command. Sudo apt update checks if any update present in our system and sudo apt upgrade upgrades our system to new files. Enter your password. Now it's downloading the required files. Here you select no and click OK. Now our system upgraded to latest files and settings. We now restart our system, which ensures all the updates will set up correctly. Now our computer is started. Now we're going to check if guest addition installed in our computer or not. For this we need to open the terminal and you need to enter the following command and enter it. Enter your password. So if it's showing like this, then it means VirtualBox Guest Addition already installed in your computer. If it's not installed, this command execute and install the VirtualBox Guest Addition. So now VirtualBox Guest Addition is already installed. Now you can use the extra functionalities like drag and drop, shared clipboard, webcam, etc. So if this video helps you to set up the Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Then make sure you like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.